All right. I think he's gonna grab one. All right, we got crazy packs for Zinger. Good luck. Those are his numbers. I didn't have a lot of Beal stuff, Darren. All right, we got Porzingis, Rising Stars, jersey autograph. Joel Embiid, Excalibur at a 349, rookie jersey autograph. And last one is, oh man, for the PC is Autographics, Dirk Otto. Look at that, look at his hair. There you go, man, pretty cool. My man. Alright, we got Elgin Baylor, Spotlight Autograph. Alright, next up is Isaiah Thomas at a 75 Immaculate Patch Autograph. And last one is Jason Tatum. Oh, I think this is one of your cards. Just got it back. Jason Tatum, Hometown Heroes, Rookie Autograph. Actually, shockingly, Zinger, you haven't gotten too many of your own cards back. I think I bought that for me. I don't know, man. I've been buying a lot of cards from a lot of people. At least it's Tatum. All right, next up is we got Kevin Durant, Court Kings autograph. Jonathan Isaac, Prism autograph. And Chris Dunn, Silhouette Prime Patch autograph at a 25. I think that's his boxers or something, or compression shorts. Not sure. All right, we got Hakeem Olajuwon, jersey autograph from NT. We got Grant Hill, Immaculate Shadow Box autograph. And Jonathan Isaac, Mosaic Gold autograph, 9/5/10. Right in Magic Penny's face. Where are you, Ruben? All right, we got Larry Nance Jr., Copper autograph from Select. We have Gary Payton, Old School Cracked Ice autograph. And it is Steph Curry, Elite Rookie autograph at a 499. Very nice, sir. Heard of him. Look how young he looks. He looks like a little kid. All right, next one. All right, we got Karl Anthony Towns, Spectra Patch autograph. Next up, we got De'Aaron Fox, 9/5/10 Revolution Rookie autograph. And we have Shaquille O'Neal, Select autograph on card. Shaq Diesel. All right. So we got Terrence Ferguson, tie-dye patch autograph from Select. All right, and we have Anthony Davis, Heroes, on-card autograph from Absolute. And it is James Harden, USA autograph 9/5/10. And last one, good luck. All right, we got Eddie Jones autograph from Dominion main exhibit. We got Gary Payton autograph, Lasting Legacies NT jersey autograph. And last one is Lauri Markkanen Premium Optic rookie autograph 9/5/10. Very nice. All right, that is it. Appreciate it, Zinger. Peace.